Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Slack Huddles for quick alignment and action items, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Slack Huddles, first, open your Slack application. Log into your workspace if you aren't already signed in. Navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to start a huddle. Locate the headset icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on this headset icon to initiate a huddle. A new huddle will start, and you'll see a prompt asking you to join. Click on Join to enter the huddle. Once you're in, your microphone will be active, allowing you to speak. You can see who else is in the huddle at the top of the screen. To invite more teammates, click on the Invite button. Type the names of the team members you want to include. Select their names and click Invite. All invited members will receive a notification to join the huddle. You can share your screen by clicking the Share Screen button if needed. This is useful for discussing documents or projects in real time. During the huddle, use the chat feature to keep track of key points. After the discussion, summarize the action items for clarity. Once the huddle is over, simply click the Leave Huddle button. This will exit you from the meeting. Remember, Slack Huddles are a great way to align quickly and stay productive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.